Stat number 1 should change how every local owner treats Google Business Profile today. 92% of businesses with complete GBP profiles appear in at least 3 AI search engines, not one engine. 3. ChatGPT, Perplexity. Google AI overviews, Claude and Gemini are all pulling from the same machine-readable proof layer, and a finished profile is one of the strongest signals that layer trusts. I'm going to show why completeness beats half-finished listings, what complete actually means in 2026, the exact fields that decide whether AI names you or skips you, how incomplete profiles create an invisibility tax your competitors cache, and how to audit and fix your profile before another week of AI shortlists leave you out. First, why a complete Google Business Profile now decides multi-engine AI visibility. AI answer engines do not invent local businesses from thin air. They stitch identity from public entities. Your name, address, phone, categories, services, hours, photos, reviews, posts, attributes, and website facts. Google Business Profile is still the densest, most frequently updated local entity graph most models can reach. When that graph is complete, the business becomes easy to extract, easy to cite, and easy to recommend across ChatGPT search, Perplexity local answers, Google AI overviews, Claude research chats, and Gemini shortlists. Incomplete profiles fail that test. Missing primary category, empty service list, no service area, stale hours, 0 recent photos, no attributes for wheelchair access, payment types or emergency service, thin Q and A. When the model cannot verify basics, it defaults to the competitor whose entity looks safer. That is why the 92% figure matters. Completeness is not a vanity checklist. It is the difference between showing up in 3 engines or getting silently filtered out of the answer. Local buyers change behavior. They ask ChatGPT for the best plumber near me open now. They ask Perplexity, which dentist takes new patients this week. They read Google AI overviews before they ever open the map pack. If your GBP is half built, you are competing with one hand tied while machines build the shortlist without you. Second, what complete actually means in 2026. Complete is not the green check Google shows after you claim the listing. Complete means every field a machine needs to recommend you with confidence is filled, accurate and fresh. Start with identity hygiene. Legal business name matching the storefront and website. Correct primary category plus secondary categories that map to money jobs. Exact NAP consistency across site, citations and profile. Service areas defined if you're mobile. Hours that include special hours for holidays. A phone that humans answer. Next is the proof layer. Full service menu with plain language descriptions, products or menu items where relevant. Attributes that match how customers shop. Women-owned, veterans discount, online estimates, emergency service, insurance accepted. High-quality photos of real work, team, and location updated monthly, not a 3-year-old logo dump. Weekly or bi-weekly Google posts that reinforce services and offers. Review velocity plus owner responses that repeat service themes in natural language. Q&A filled with real buyer questions, not empty silence. Then comes machine extractability. Link a clean website with matching entity facts. Add booking or quote links that work. Keep description keyword honest, not stuffed. Remove outdated services. Fix suspended or restricted state issues immediately. Monitor insights so you know whether calls, direction requests, and website clicks still move. Completeness is a living system, not a one-time setup day from 2019. Third, the fields that decide whether AI recommends you. Field number 1 is category precision. Primary category is the spine of local relevance. Wrong category, and every AI surface starts from the wrong neighborhood of meaning. Secondary categories expand coverage without diluting the core. Field number 2 is services and products. Models love structured service lists they can quote. Thin free text descriptions lose to competitors with clear job names, coverage notes, and process steps. Field number 3 is reviews as evidence, not trophies. Star average helps, but themed language about response time, pricing clarity, and job quality is what answer engines paraphrase when they explain why someone is recommended. Field number 4 is freshness signals. Recent photos, posts, review replies, and hour updates tell machines the business is alive. Dead profiles look risky even if the star rating is high. Field number 5 is multi-surface consistency. If GBP says one set of hours and the website says another, extraction confidence drops. AI systems punish contradiction. The 92% group wins because their entity graph agrees with itself. Fourth, the invisibility tax incomplete profiles force you to pay. While you delay filling services and attributes, a competitor with a complete profile appears in ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google AI overviews for the same city queries. They collect the calls you never hear. Agency retainers and ad spend cannot fully patch a broken entity. You can rank for a few classic keywords and still lose the AI shortlist if machines cannot trust your listing. The tax compounds. Incomplete profiles get fewer reviews. Because fewer discovery moments happen, fewer reviews mean weaker evidence. Weaker evidence means fewer AI mentions. Fewer mentions mean fewer customers teaching the model your brand language. Meanwhile, complete competitors keep feeding the loop. That is how a 92% advantage becomes market share, not a fun statistic. Multi-location brands feel it at scale. One neglected location becomes a hole in the chain identity. Single shop owners feel it as empty Fridays they blame on the economy when the real issue is missing from 3 AI engines at once. Fifth, how to audit, fix, and stay complete without hiring a full department. Open your Google business profile today and score it like an AI would. Identity complete or not. Categories correct or not. Services fully listed or not. Attributes filled or not. Photos fresh or stale. Posts active or abandoned. Reviews answered or ignored. Q&A present or empty. Website facts matched or conflicting. Anything incomplete is a leak in AI visibility. Fix the highest leverage gaps first. Category, services, hours, photos and review responses. Then attributes, posts, products and Q&A. Set a monthly freshness ritual so the profile never goes quiet. Track whether you appear when you prompt ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI overviews, Claude, and Gemini with your top 5 money queries in your city. Completeness without measurement is still guesswork. If you want the system without living inside Google every afternoon, Ninja monitors AI visibility, tightens local entity signals, and helps you see where ChatGPT and AI overviews still skip your business. Complete GBP is table stakes. Ongoing AI shortlist defense is the real game. Recap. 92% of businesses with complete Google business profiles appear in at least 3 AI search engines. Completeness means machine-ready identity, services, proof, freshness, and consistency. Incomplete listings pay an invisibility tax across ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI Overviews, Claude, and Gemini. Audit this week, close the gaps, and measure your shortlist share. Get started at tryninja.ai and see whether AI search can actually find you before your next competitor finishes their profile first.